Antioxidant is the one that glutathione is most, I would say, famous for. It is most well known for, and it's the most powerful free radical scavenger in the body. It directly neutralizes harmful compounds that cause inflammation and cellular damage. It helps to counter aging. It has various layers by which it will act. Direct neutralization just being the very first phase one step of the way it counters harmful substances. And it will squelch free radicals, reactive oxygen species. These are highly reactive and they potentially damage cellular machinery. They will damage cell membranes. They will denature DNA. Glutathione will help squelch those. It will also have secondary effects whereby it will act as a sort of a cofactor in a lot of other enzymes to further detoxify harmful substances and exert its anti-inflammatory effects. It is regulating the antioxidant capability of your body even by recycling vitamin C and vitamin E, which are well known for their antioxidant effects. So it cleanses, it detoxifies. It's the centerpiece of the body's detoxification system. It binds to toxins like heavy metals. By binding to them, it sort of like sequesters them and prevents them from harming other tissues like brain tissue. It is particularly useful in sort of trapping mercury that might be present in the brain and helping transport it out of the brain. And it then goes through further processing in the liver, where the liver is able to sort of neutralize some of these compounds. And then the glutathione attaches to these harmful substances, often making them more water soluble. So it's easier for the body to excrete these harmful substances. It is making them less harmful in some cases, and in some cases it is being excreted in urine and bile. It is also involved in energy and immunity. Glutathione is involved in cell proliferation. It is used it regulates cell death, cell apoptosis. It is involved in DNA synthesis and repair. It is modulating intracellular immune signaling and immune status of the cell. It is regulating thiol groups in proteins, and this will impact on how the protein structure presents itself and how a protein is going to activate. It is involved in mitochondrial function. So you can see it has a very wide and diverse range of effects in addition to just its antioxidant capability.